there with pets. In this day, this morning, they had been trying to walk home. The family had some roads, get on bikes and pedal away. They couldn't get home, so they went on the bridge. So both all the family and lots of people were locked together at this moment.
So they're on that bridge right at the moment that police are racing to the bridge because they've heard a call, a 108 call, officer under distress.
That's exactly right. Earlier that morning, there had been a couple
that was a bit of throttle delay. By this point, it's pretty much done. The issue is no longer existent.